So I'm going to gear up and just ship. Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl here. New day, new Tumbler project. We are going to recreate something I did last summer, and it turned out really pretty. I will insert a picture here. I recently sold that cup and was asked to recreate it in a larger size, so that's what we're going to try and do today. I have here my color shifting Chameleon Mica-Hols. These are all Woodies Goodies micas, and I will list the actual names of them below. I did not, of course, think to label the bottles. But rather than putting them on sort of randomly like I've done in the past with Mica-Hol tumblers, what I'm going to do this time and what I did in that one video last time was each one of these will get its own lane on the cup. So 9 strips down the cup. And once I've done that, I will drop on the Let's Resin Sea Deeper White. This is their Sinker White. I've transferred it to a little bottle. Drop that on. And then I'll hit it with heat and I'll change direction and I'll tilt it in the stuff I usually do for alcohol ink swirls, except this will be Mica-Hol Swirl. And we'll come back tomorrow morning and we'll see what we get. Hopefully something that looks similar to the last one, because that's what we're hoping for here. I'm going to gear up, so just sit back and enjoy the show.